This is another update of my car. Got my wheels on there. I need to go more low, because I can stick a whole hand right there. So I'm gonna redo my hood. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. I got the stock ones on the back because I need a rear camera kit, because this rubs. But this car is really low now. I don't know if you guys can see that. From the resonator to the ground is probably about a 1/4 inch. My toe looks pretty good. I need to get an alignment though, because this side is horrible. I have this steering wheel turned right now. I go get alignment since I have a lot of camber right now. Finally got my engine bay pretty much done. Got my valve cover powder coated. Traded my AEM V2 cold air intake for this Password JDM. I need to get a new filter. I need to get a plug there. I need to get a breather filter there. And it come with a little plug adapter. I got all my header fender washer bolts on. My cam seal bolts, my cam cap, spark plug separator, valve cover washer. Yeah, some fender washers up here. Yep. Clean the underside of my hood. But yeah, I still gotta paint that caliper. It's a brand new one because the other one locked up. Paint that red. I can get a real caliper for the back. Bleed all the whole brake system because I got a new master cylinder and brake booster. But that other one was really bad. So I haven't bled the system yet. I can get a rear camera kit so I can get the other wheels on the back. I'll probably go more low here. I don't know if I possibly can. Probably need to pull the camera back out. Yeah, I can move it forward and it scrapes. Just move it forward just a little bit, it scrapes. But then I got my duckbill off because this damn bracket right here fucking bent to hell. I don't know how. So the duckbill don't fit right. And the car's really fucking dirty. But this is an update. I'll make a new video soon. Well, I don't know how soon it will be. But alright.